Welcome to Ocean's channel. I'm going to talk about how to use these digital thermometers. The one I bought, this product was model number DMT1031. So this one, you can use it for orally, rectally, or under the arm. The devices are reusable for clinical or home use on people of all ages, including children under 8 years old with adult supervisions. So I use this for the armpit for myself. So the armpit, you wipe armpit dry and place this probe in the center of the armpit, and keep arm pressed firmly aside. So there is the on and off button right here next to LCD screen. So if you press this, so you will hear the sound as the screen shows. So it will show as the frame height, which is blinking. That means this means is the testing. This is the testing process. So when flashes stops, an alarm will beep for approximately 10 seconds. Just like this. So this measurement reading will appear on the LCD simultaneously. So the minimum measurement time unit is a signaling tone, which is a beep sound. It must be maintained without exceptions. So the measurement continues even after the buzzer notifications. So that in order to achieve a better body temperature, the measurement result recommend to keep the probe in mouth while rectum about 2 minutes, or in armpit about 5 minutes, regardless of the beep sound, and at least 30 seconds measurement interval should be maintained. So, and then keep in mind that normally the buzzes are like beep 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 sound. For the alarm beeps more rapidly when temperature reaches 100 Fahrenheit, which is 37.8 Celsius. While higher, the buzzes are like beep, 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 and then silence, and beep, 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 silence, and beep, beep, beep. So this, some of them shows as the Fahrenheit. The mine shows a Fahrenheit, but some of them shows as a Celsius. Depends on the devices. But my devices, I cannot change it to Celsius. For this, the battery life, for prolonged battery life, press on and off buttons to turn unit off after testing is complete. If no action is taken, the unit will automatically shut off after around 10 minutes. So there is a way to also replace the battery on the back of the unit. So if you take this out, there is a battery that you can see right here. You can take out with the tools. So that's the end of this videos. So I'm gonna make more videos about how to use product, about the review of the products. So stay tuned. Thank you. See you later. Bye.